Today we will learn why to use Python shell. Means why you are learning to code in Python shell, to run programs in Python shell. So firstly, Python shell is also known as Python interactive shell or REPL, REPL, that is read, evaluate, print and loop. It is a powerful tool which is used for executing Python code interactively. Interactively means it will show you the errors. You can debug your programs easily, you can test your programs easily. It means it will interact with you. That's why you use Python shell. You can save your programs in this. Okay, so now first one is testing and debugging. It means you can quickly test small codes, small snippet programs, and debug parts of code. If there is any mistake in the code, it will show errors and you can test and debug them. Debugging word means removing the errors and executing the program, error free program. This is especially useful for experimenting with new ideas or troubleshooting issues in your program. Troubleshooting means if your program is not running or not showing the output, so you can see the mistakes and rectify those issues and then run the program. Next one, learning and exploration. So it is mainly used for the beginners who started learning Python, and the Python shell is an excellent environment to learn Python. You can type commands and see immediate results, which helps in understanding how Python works, how Python program runs, execute, and what will be the result of a particular program. Now move to next use, that is prototyping. So it allows you to prototype and test functions or algorithms before integrating them into larger programs. It means you can make clone programs, small programs, and run them and check their mistakes, their errors, and rectify them before making a large program. So at the very initial stage you can make a good program. Next one, interactive development. It means you can interactively develop and modify your code, making it easy to see the effects of changes in real time. It means ki what will be the result of your particular code, how can you make changes to get some predefined particular output. This is known as interactive development. Next one is executing commands. You can execute individual Python commands and see their output immediately. It shows you output immediately, and this is useful for performing quick calculations or running simple script. Simple script means simple code. I hope you understand the uses of Python shell. Let's continue some more programs in further videos. Thank you.